Greetings travelers! On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of place to go to while in Vancouver. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome. And if you are a regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment on the comment section and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number 5 choice for top place to visit in Vancouver will be Vancouver Seawall. The seawall in Vancouver is a stone wall that was constructed around the perimeter of Stanley Park to prevent erosion of the park's foreshore. The term also denotes the pedestrian, bicycle, rollerblading pathway on the seawall, one which has been extended far outside the boundaries of Stanley Park and which has become one of the most used features of the park by both local and tourists. James Cunningham, a master mason, dedicated his life to the construction of the wall from 1931 until his retirement. Even after he retired, Cunningham continued to return to monitor the wall's progress until his death at 85. While the whole path is not built upon the seawall, the total distance from Crab Park around Stanley Park and Falls Creek to Spanish Bank is about 30 kilometers. Despite perennial conflicts between pedestrian, cyclists, and inline skater, park users consider the seawall to be the most important feature of Stanley Park, and it is the most used feature within the park. The original idea for the seawall is attributed to Park Board Superintendent W.S. Rawling, who conveyed his vision in 1918. The seawall route has continued to expand so that a continuous, mostly seaside path for pedestrians, cyclists, and inline skater now extend for a total of 22 kilometers. Starting from Cole Harbor, it winds around Stanley Park, along Sunset Beach, around Falls Creek, past the Broad Street Bridge, through Vanier Park, and finishes at Kitsilano Beach Park. Our number 4 choice for top place to visit in Vancouver will be the Museum of Anthropology. The Museum of Anthropology at the University of British Columbia campus in Vancouver is renowned for its display of world arts and culture, particularly by the First Nation band government of the Pacific Northwest. Being a major tourist destination, MOA is a research and teaching museum where UBC courses in art, anthropology, archaeology, conservation, and museum studies are given. MOA houses close to 50,000 ethnographic objects, as well as 535,000 archaeological objects in its building alone. There are approximately 2,800 belongings in the African collection. The earlier collection came to MOA via missionaries, travelers, and ex-colonial officers. The collection includes mass, Yoruba thorn carvings, 100 Makonde figures from Tanzania, 100 Asante gold weights, weaponry from South Africa, and 100 mortuary objects from Egypt. About 40% of MOA collection is from Asia. The Chinese collection 2,500 pieces of Chinese ceramics, calligraphy, painting, with 4 recently identified masterpieces from the collection of Ho Ping Tea. There is a large collection of Japanese prints, Buddhist art, Hindu art, Gandhara sculpture, textile and clothing. Other collections include 2,300 Chinese coin, 200 Sichuan blue thread embroidery dating to circa 1900, rare Tibet robes, masks from Noe, Japan, Suni, and Kolam, Sri Lanka. Our number 3 choice for top place to visit in Vancouver will be Van Dusen Botanical Garden. In 1970, the Vancouver Foundation, the British Columbia provincial government, and the City of Vancouver signed an agreement to provide the funding to develop a public garden on part of the old Shagany Golf Course. Van Dusen Garden, situated in Shagany neighborhood of Vancouver, at the northwest corner of 37th Avenue and Oak Street, named for local lumberman and philanthropist Whitford Julian Van Dusen. The Botanical Garden opened to the public on August 30th, 1975, and remained jointly managed by the Vancouver Park Board and the Vancouver Botanical Garden Association. An administrative staff is bolstered by approximately 1,200 non-gardening volunteers. The VGBA is responsible for membership, volunteering, education, the library, and development fundraising. The garden covers 55 acres. In addition to display of plants from all over the world, there is an extensive collection of native British Columbia Northwest Coast plants. A launched rewilding outreach program aimed to rescue and propagate native plants for reintroduction into Vancouver regional parks. The park also have carved totem poles, large stone sculptures, Korean pavilions, and water features throughout the rolling landscape. Children will enjoy the maze adjacent to Van Dusen Heirloom Vegetable Garden. The garden is open to public every day of the year. Our number 2 choice for top place to visit in Vancouver will be the Granville Island, a peninsula and shopping district in Vancouver, Canada. Located across Falls Creek from downtown Vancouver under the south end of the Granville Street Bridge. The peninsula was once an industrial manufacturing area, but today it is a hotspot for Vancouver tourism and entertainment. The area was named after Granville Levinson Gower, 2nd Earl of Granville. The island is home to 275 business and facilities that employ more than 2,500 people and generates more than $215 million in economic activity every year. Granville Island has amenities such as large public market, marina, hotel, Falls Creek Community Center, various performing arts theater, Vancouver Theatre Sport League, the Art Club Theatre and Company, and Carousel Theatre, fine art gallery, and variety of shopping areas. Granville Island Public Market features a farmer's market, day vendor, artists offering local Vancouver goods. There are 50 permanent retailers and typically more than 100 day vendors in stalls throughout the market. The market was previously used for the finale of the film Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol 2011. Granville Island is the central location of several annual festivals, including the Vancouver International Children's Festival, Falls Creek Ferries, and Aquabus provide ferry service from Granville Island to downtown Vancouver. The market attracts both local residents and tourists. The market also has kids market designed for children. Granville Island Brewing Company, the name of a beer company which originated on Granville Island but have a main base of operation in Kelowna, British Columbia. In 2009, it was purchased by Molson Brewery and continues to brew small batch of variety at the Granville Island brewing site. This site also offers beer tasting and tours of the brewing facility. Our number one choice for top place to visit in Vancouver will be the Vancouver Aquarium. In addition to being a major tourist attraction, the aquarium is a center for marine research, ocean literacy education, conservation, and marine animal rehabilitation. The aquarium was one of the first facilities to incorporate professional naturalists into the galleries to interpret animal behaviors. The aquarium was the first to employ educational naturalists on a full-time basis. Aquarium research projects extend worldwide and include marine mammal rescue and rehabilitation. In October 2009, the Vancouver Aquarium was designated as a Coastal America Learning Center by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. As the first learning center in Canada, this designation is intended to strengthen the Canadian-U.S. partnership for protecting and restoring shared ocean resources. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other videos and our Instagram, Scenic.Geek. Until next time, goodbye.